signing in. Welcome to this tutorial on how to change your Gmail account password on Android. Your Gmail account password is the key to your personal information and emails. Therefore, it is essential to keep it secure and change it regularly. Changing your password on Android is straightforward, and we will guide you through it in the following steps. First, open your device's Settings app. This can usually be found in your app drawer or on your home screen. Once you're in your settings, look for Google and tap on it. This will take you to your Google account settings, where you can manage your account information and settings. At the top of the screen, you'll see a tab for Security. Tap on it to access your account security settings. This tab will provide you with various options to enhance the security of your account. Scroll down to the Signing into Google section and tap on Password. You might need to sign into your account again to access this section. Once you're signed in, you'll be prompted to enter your new password. Make sure to choose a strong and secure password that's difficult to guess. A strong password usually includes a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. You'll need to enter your new password twice to confirm it. Finally, tap on Change Password to save your new password. Your Gmail account password will now be updated, and you'll need to use your new password to log into your account from now on. It is essential to remember your new password and keep it confidential. Avoid using simple passwords or passwords that are easy to guess. Also, never share your password with anyone, and always log out of your account once you're done using it. And that's it. You've now successfully changed your Gmail account password on Android. By changing your password regularly, you can help keep your account secure and protect your personal information. We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below and we'll be happy to assist you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.